Hi everyone, I'll be creating a video tutorial about buffer rifle. So sa gihatag na problem, make a create a file handling that you can add string on a specific line. For example, this is my file. So as you can see, there are two lines in this file. So ang gihatag na problem, mag-create tag new create tag right nga problem, tapos butang sa second line. So it means kanil dire. So let's start. First, you need to put the class. As you can see, error siya. So nag-error siya. So we need to import the buffer writer. So we need to create an object. So my object name is BR or BW. BW for short, buffer writer. So we need to create a new object, buffered. So as you can see, so para mabutang tag create tag file, we need to magbutang og parameter diri sa atong buffer. So create a new object 3, new file. As you can see, nag-error na po siya. So we need to import the file writer. So diri sa atong parameter sa file writer, try na to i-paste tong atong file. Okay, copy and paste. Balik as bin. So need to paste it. There's some problem here. Can fix. So you can see nag-error siya kay we need to create or we need to throw the exception. Throw clause for Java IO exception. So as you can see, sa atong file name is kabutan is world hello world welcome to Java programming. Let's create, let's put the object and a method that can write our name. So we put here the hello world and so the first line. So the second line is we need to another methods and welcome to Java programming. Need to kailangan natin mag-declare og print para mag-print og na kuan na ba siya na sulat na ba dito sa file the written file successfully, and we need to put the task close. Why do we need to close? Para ma-close ni ang kanitanan dili siya magkuhan. For example, ug walay close, walay makabutang dira. So ang ingon man sa problem, you can add a string after add text on a second line. So right string sa welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Channel. Yes. You can see we all manata. So let's run the file. The so ang output ng butang is written file successfully. So we need to check that. Oh, so as you can see, nagdikit-dikit siya. Dikit siya. Pwede tayong butang new line. Tapos, dire, new line para ang hello world mabutang na po siya sa another line tapos kanang sa welcome to Java program ay sa welcome to Java program create ko siya another line so tulo na siya ka line file itong file successfully so yeah, that is how you do it so that's that's all, thank you.